Hello YouTube, it's me Beer Stud. Welcome to my channel. This is my video response to Tony Technician's 4500 sub giveaway. I'm doing a toolbox tour. As you recognize this is from my first tour. As you can see, it's now home. It's now my home box. Since I got the Matco 4S, I just saved that for work, and I saved this for home, for my personal projects here at the house. And hopefully I get some side work on the side. If my side work continues to grow, I'll add more tools to it. Until then, I'll probably just take tools from work and bring them here for now. As you see, I keep my CIB, extra stickers for oil changes, a calendar. This is my Bluetooth speaker, my power source. I didn't go with the Snap-on $90 power source because I just feel that's a little too much. And the top, I just mainly got my spare 1/4-inch drive stuff. As you see, that's where I keep my grandpa's tools. I keep my ratchets. They still work, even though I'm debating whether I want to retire them or whatnot. Of course, an oil filter socket. My charger. Just a little container with odds and ends of stuff. Again, I put my spare metrics wrenches up here. As you see, the SK screwdrivers are here at the house, along with the pliers set. The only proto tool that I own, keep it here, metric 19 millimeter. Here's where I keep my Blackhawks. What's left of a Cobalt set. Again, you see some other makes in here too. Again, just my spare wrenches. I think this is an empty drawer. Another empty drawer. This is where I keep my tool porn. As far as stuff I want to look up. This is kind of what I use for stuff, the tools that came in that I switched out with that stuff up there on the cooler. But other than that, I haven't really decided as far as what additional tools I'll get for this thing. But like I said, if side projects come up, I'll get more tools if I need to. But for the time being, I'll probably just take tools home from work. And as I always say, take care and have a safe one. Comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Take care and have a safe one.